Our next speaker is Meera. She's going to talk about shortcuts in life.
Hello everybody, my name is Meera Navale. Currently I'm working with Coupa Software as a senior software engineer. So it's been more than 11 years in the IT. So we'll share some experiences and the shortcuts, tips that will come handy when we work with the Rails console. So as a Rails developer, we tend to spend lots of time on the Rails console, try out various things, trying various query, code snippets. But when we are well aware about the shortcuts and tips, it will actually save a lot of your time. So let's dive into it. The first one is like clearing the console. So that we can do by using command. The first shortcut is Command K, so which help you to get a clear slate on the console. So it's really pain when you want to search something and that has a huge log. So whenever we want to try something, we always try to have a clean slate and try various things. So this command might help you to get your logs or parse your logs clearly and just focus on whatever you are trying to do. The next command is reloading the console. So when we start a Rails console, what it does, it actually like loads all the files, caches it, but once you modify your code in your application, your Rails console will not gonna automatically reload it. So whenever you want a new context of your code, you can reload the console by using reload exclamation mark command instead of like using the traditional way of restarting the console. The next trick is searching the command history. So like whenever we are trying various commands on the console, it like almost lots of time it happens that we want to run the similar commands, but when it comes to finding the commands in the hundred of commands that we tried previously by using just up and down arrow key, it's really like it will take you lots of time. So instead of doing that, we can use Control R command to try searching for the commands that you have previously typed in your console. The next trick is like lots of time like we just try running the query and forgot to save its result in any of the variables. So in that case, we can use the underscore variable provided by the Rails console, so which automatically stores the value of last evaluated expression, and you can just save the value of underscore in any variable and do the further operations. And the last thing I want to talk about is trying out like various view and Rails helpers in the Rails console that we can do by using helper variable as well as the app variable in the Rails console. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.